Good morning to all. This is John Bernard, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, St.Joseph College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. Today, I'm going to teach about how to create database using MS Access. So, I created two videos. I'm going to create two videos. There is part 1 and part 2. The first part is how to create a database and then how to configure my database using open database connectivity. The second part of video, how to write a database program for my database. So now I'm going to create MS Access database. So here we can select blank database. Here I can choose my database name as sample. And then my location is D:Bernard. Then I'm going to convert my database in lower format. That is 2002-23 format. So we select create. So this is my new database. By default, it is created one table. We can have more number of tables if you need. So next one is using this table. I'm going to design my field. So table 1 is default table name. I'm going to change my table name as STU. So now the table name is changed. So by default, automatically it created ID with the primary key. So in my program, in my simple database program, I will not use primary key. So I'm going to delete my primary keys. So right click this option and select delete rows. So yes. So here I can have only two fields. The first one is S name. S name is nothing but student name, and then data type is either I can have short text or long text. So just I normally database is used to store the information or data. So I can have all fields considered as text. So third column is description, is an optional one. So I need not to use description. The next one is age. So I can have age is also have short text. So I can save this design part, and then now I can open this table. So the field names are open in column wise. So the first one is I can type a student name. There is John, age is 20, and then the second record is Bernard, 21. The third record is Robert, 22. The fourth record is Suresh, 23. The fifth record is Ebenezer, 24. So here I stored five records. So that's all. So this is database creation using MS Access. So now I'm going to configure my database using ODBC. ODBC stands for Open Database Connectivity. So here ODBC connection reside in control panel. So I select control panel and then system and security, administrative tools, and then open database connectivity for data sources. So here we have three buttons: add, remove, and configure. So here already I created Bernard, so now I remove this. So I'm going to create new one. So these are the driver names. So if I'm having MS Access database means here you should use either this one, that is Microsoft Access driver, or the second one is Microsoft Access driver MDB or ACCDB. ACCDB is higher version of Microsoft MS Access, and then MDB is a lower version of MS Access. So this is enough. Suppose if you have backend as Oracle means, so here I can choose Microsoft ODBC for Oracle. So likewise, the driver name will be changed based on the database. So now my driver name is Microsoft Access Driver star.mdb. So now my data source name, that is DSN name. So this is Bernard. Now already we created database. So now I'm going to select my database with Bernard. So first one is my database in D directory, and then Bernard. The left hand side we got the database, and then we select the database and click OK. Now my database is connected with the data source name called Bernard. This is called configuration or mapping my database with ODBC connections. So that's all. So this is my part 1 video. Thank you.